talking a little bit more about HubSpot and see if we can't point people in the right direction to get this thing set up and optimized. We're going to start firstly talking about forms. Forms is what's used to capture leads off of your website, landing pages, webinar registrations, whatever have you. So we need to know how to build those so that we can get them, active and capturing information for us so we can then start marketing to them and selling to them. So first off, you're going to come over here to the left side of your HubSpot and you're going to hover over this marketing tab. And as you can see, if you look through all these things that you have access to, you click on forms. Now, with inbound, HubSpot's inbound live event a while back, a couple weeks ago actually now, they've come out with smart forms, which kind of gamify the lead form part of it, meaning people fill out the form and then a new question comes out, and then they fill out another section and then a new question shows up. So it's kind of an instant gratification thing. It's supposed to increase your conversions on the form and stuff like that. We're just going to look at the simple form that everybody has used up to this point, just to keep it rudimentary and not confuse anybody right now. So once you get to this form section, you're going to want to click on this orange button that says create form. Right now it's going to give you two options: embedded form, which means a form that's going to go on a landing page or on your website, or a standalone page, which is basically a landing page, means it's not really connected to anything. The page is by itself, it's occupied, it's maintained on its own. We're going to choose embed form because that's what's going to go on our website and like on our social media and all that stuff. So embed form. Then as you can see on the left here, we've got different kind of templates that we can pick out. HubSpot does a really good job of trying to templatize stuff to make it easy and expedient for the small businesses or any businesses to, get up and running and to leverage their tool. I mean, it's kind of brilliant when you're a SaaS company. It's the more ingrained people get in your solution, the harder it is for them to leave and switch. So they try to make it easy. Contact us. You can see just email, first name, last name, message. Registration, kind of the same as that. You want to take a payment, newsletter sign up, whatever have you. This is how you create the forms. Most people for just getting started is going to choose contact us because that's what you see on everybody's website, right? Contact us, consultation, whatever it might be. It's the simple things that you want to do. So when you're creating the form, click the template and then go ahead and click start. Now when you get to here, if you don't like these fields, this is where you get to change and manipulate the form looks like. Message, I don't recommend using open text fields, right? There's no way that you can search or filter by what somebody puts in this field. If they're just typing in stuff, you cannot use that to segment your database or anything like that. And it's really not useful for our purposes today. So, I'm getting rid of that one. So first name, last name, email. You're probably going to want, company name. Right? Company name. And then it's just drag and drop. It's super easy. Super easy. You do have the ability, if you have Marketing Hub, to use progressive forms. Meaning you can add additional fields down here in this drag and drop, just like that. And if somebody is in your database already and they come back and they fill out another form for any specific reason whatsoever, and you already have this information, it's going to replace one of these questions with this question down here, right? You already know their email, so we're not going to ask for their email again. Instead, this time we'll ask for their company size. And that just helps you to continually, enrich the data that you already have within your system, which you can then use to segment and market and do specific ABM programs around, which is pretty cool. The smart form, like I said, is something we'll get into in a completely different video. It's a different form layout. But for now, this is how you set up a form that you can use on your website. And it should be able to get you everything that you need. All you have to do is come over here and just play around with these different properties. Type in there, see what's in there already. If there's not a property in there, then you can go and you can create a new property or a new custom field. But we'll get into that later as well. But for now, this is how you generally create your forms. I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have any other questions about HubSpot or any of the specific hubs that they have, please reach out to us. We're small business focused only. Like, share, and subscribe to the video, and we'll talk to you guys in the next go round. Take care.